I have built the Chrome extension which automatically responds your survey question answer. So click this, so automatically all question has been going here. Six question. So when click found 6 questions, when click auto answer, then check, automatically answer is done. Come here below and check. Answer 1 done, answer 2 done. So no need to click here, automatically done. So when it completed, then you need to check manually or how it's work. Any wrong question has been answered, so check here. This already done. So here one, two, answer this, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, fine. So another question income is here. So now click all extension and click all question. 7 question found, so check the 7 question found already, so auto answer. So we need to wait for the answers automatically done. So check the console, here is showing which question is working now. When update successfully, automatically submitted here. All option also showing here. So choose I do not smoke, so answer 7 done. So all question answer done, 7 up sound done. The next 16 question, click and click scan all. So 16 question found in the lab, so click auto. In the progress, here is showing 1, showing 2, 3, 4 and 16 in this way. So here automatically 4 question done. So you can here also progress, here also progress, not both progressing are same to same. automatically about formatting all question. So rest of the question is showing, and checking here also showing your question, and also automatically mark format. So this is a submit mark, this is submit mark, same all. This is the completely premium extension where you need the API of OpenAI. So it's customized. Without AI, this answer is not available to provide as a human. So it's a need API to set up. In the setting there is an API build system. So when you put API, then you can implement it. Keep in mind this application, this Chrome extension is only for the profile survey question. For the opinion is this not for other survey question, as because this is implemented in the this this deep section, that this section builds, this is quotient, then this is option. So automatically quotient hit, and this option automatically getting here. Check this, automatically option is getting here. So in this system we have made this only for opinion is question, opinion is profile question, only for profile question. Without you cannot get others questions at here. So automatically 16 question done. So next the profile technology question. So click the extension and getting here questionnaire and done. 6 question. Three question done. 4 5 6 4. Check option automatically getting here the all option. So question is this, check the question is this, and automatically option is getting this question and this question. So all question has been done. So we getting the next topics. So you're getting the next topic is this. So comes here automatically scan our question. There is 14 question. This auto answer click. So automatically answer this. This auto answer is the 14 question. Automatically you need just to wait and see how it will happen. To manually question putting the here is needs time to set up. You do not need to do manually. You will all of yours. The probable basic question, there is more than 50 question in the probable survey. So we have set up this automatically done to the from our extension. This is the auto answer for you. This will be auto answer for the profile question for you. Thank you. So I am showing all profile question how to make it 100%, 0 to 100% the profile score. All survey question has been provided here. So wait and see. So now 68, maybe there is two section here. We will put this two section also. So just wait and see how it's happened now. So 12 number question and 13 number question and 14 number question. So all question 14 of 14 question has been done. So next topic we will be click here the life is done. The now 84% score has been done. So click the life cycle, click the extension and click scan. Automatically all question has been done. Just click the auto answer. So now done. Check the profile score, profile question subject. So the profile completion 100% done. So thank you.